Hello guys, today I've got the T-Mobile 5G router and I'm going to show you how to create a strong Wi-Fi password. So, at first you need to tap these three lines in the top right corner in your control panel, and here tap Wi-Fi. Tap WLAN settings. Scroll down and tap the first SSID, first network, which is 2.5 GHz Wi-Fi. Here we've got our password. You can delete all this. And now, how to create a password that may be safe. You need to prepare at least 12 to 16 characters, a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. So we can do, for example, something like this. HardReset. One at in 99FO. This little star, for example, ampersand $sign, and this is safe password. Apart from that, it can be something like Tango 9. I don't know, maybe some space, not space, how to call it, exclamation mark, maybe winter 7 at cloud 2, something like this. Now you can scroll down here and tap apply. That's it. Goodbye.